everybody, ACH here, and me and Christian are going to do a Nerf battle war, and I want you to take a look at our weapons.
Yes. Mama has the tiniest gun, and look at me.
Mama is going to take him down.
How is she going to take me down with just a new Nerf gun I just bought, guys?
Yeah, isn't that thing awesome? And it goes up to 70 feet on the darts. His daddy just got him that gun today, and he is jazzed to try it out.
Okay, guys.
There's Hannah in there, and we're going to do another one later of Hannah and her sewing machine. We're going to try to make a pillow, if we can, with the little sewing machine. Can you mute that way? Anyway, so we are going to start our Nerf battle, and Mommy is going to hold the camera as best as I can. Fear for my life while we're playing this game. Alright guys, I got my GoPro strapped on, which is my cell phone and duct tape to my shirt. That's right, folks, we're taking him down. Nerf war on! Ah! Nerf war on! Ow! Dang! Oh, snag doodles. What happened? Do you need help?
Hey, you can't.
I'm coming to help.
Just a little stuck dart.
Action. Nerf war back on! Oh. Ah! That one came out crazy! Oh, snafu! It's okay. Keep going, bro. Ow! I'm dancing down the hall. I'm dancing. Oh. What is going on with that thing all of a sudden?
Now it won't shoot.
Has it got another snag?
No. Okay, hold on.
Ow! Shooting just fine if you ask me! Whoa! Ah!
What? Why won't you shoot?
Ow! That hit me square in the nut. Ow! Don't hit faces! Ow! Karma! Whoa! That was right past my face holes. Ow! That's a belly shot! Belly! Oh, you got a snafu.
Dang it.
Oh, gives me time.
No, Mom, I gotta reload. Leave me alone.
Okay, let me get my darts too. Reloading. Reloading. Boop, 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 boop.
Boom, reloaded.
Whew. This is dangerous around here. Yeah, get one. One until I know what they are for sure. Ooh.
What? Karma shot.
Ooh.
That almost hit my face.
These are pretty accurate.
Why is this thing?
Let me see.
Wait.
Alright, here you go, here you go.
Ow.
Action!
Ow!
Are you okay?
Yeah, it just hit my cheek.
Oh, thank goodness. Sorry. Although you should really stand up because I don't have much of a target but your head. Wow! Ow! Dang! Come at me, bro. You got a jam?
Nope.
Yeah, you got a jam. Sticking right out. Okay, there we go. Yeah, here you go, bae. Don't, those are her. Come on, we're doing a video. Come on. Oh, that dart's garbage now. All right, ready?
No. I'm not ready.
I know, I'm just shooting the door. You better hurry. Ow! Hot dang, that hurt.
It almost hit my eye.
What? Whoa! Come at me, bro. Ow! 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 Holy cow! Ow!
Oh, I need to take my shoes off first, okay? My shoes are literally...
Okay, so we're going to wrap this one up with fun with Bubby's new minigun. And show them. It's pretty awesome, except it gets jammed, but we're still learning to use it. We obviously just have to learn how to load the... Ow! Hot! Dang, that hurts. Oh, that hurts so bad. Okay, Bubby, stop. We obviously have to learn how to load it appropriately. And the problem is, if you don't put it dead center with one dead center here,
Wait, I didn't... In the video, I didn't use this. So...
then it will get jammed very easily.
And guys, now we're going to do the sniper.
These are
gun.
both, I believe, Adventure Force. No, this one is Air Warriors, and this one's Adventure Force. I thought they were the same name brand.
Okay.
Well, anyway, they're both really, really good guns.
Okay.
And I can't honestly tell you that Nerf is much better because we have the exact same problem with Nerf guns, if not worse with Nerf guns, with bullets getting lodged and having problems with getting them out. Well, anyway, this turns out to be a really cool gun. Just make sure that you load it right. And,
And we're gonna do more. We're just next video we're gonna use this one.
Sweet.
Nerf 2.
That's like his shotgun sniper. It's got a scope. It's right there on the floor. It's just a really, really cool gun. So we hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. We hope y'all have the best day ever from our family to yours. ACH, please remember to like and subscribe. I'm going to take off my GoPro, which is, ta-da, some really pretty duct tape and my shirt. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.